In this video, we'll be learning how to find equivalent ratio. When we say equivalent ratio, this means that the ratios given have the same value. Now, how do we solve that? First is we write the ratio in the given ratio in fraction form. And then we multiply the given fraction to a fraction that has the same numerator and denominator. For example, we multiply it first to 2 over 2, and then we multiply the same ratio to 3 over 3, and then to 4 over 4. So in order for us to understand this better, let us apply it in the given examples. So for this example, we are asked to give the next three equivalent ratios. So let's answer. Let's have number 1. 2 is to 3. So according to our step, we have to first write it in fraction form. So it will become 2 over 3. And then we multiply 2 over 3 to a fraction that has the same numerator and denominator. So for example, I will first use the fraction 2 over 3. And the resulting equation for this one is, or the expression rather is 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, this is the first equivalent fraction. And then let us multiply 2 over 3 to another fraction that has the same numerator, which is 3 over 3. And we will get here 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. This is the next equivalent fraction. Next is we multiply 2 over 3 by another fraction that has the same denominator, and we write 4 over 4. And the resulting expression would be 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 4 is 12. So this is the third equivalent fraction. So I will write all the fractions here. Okay? So we have 2 over 3. This is the original. This is the question. And its equivalent fractions are 4 over 6, 6 over 9, and 8 over 12. What do you notice about the sequence of the numerators and the sequence of the denominators? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 12. So it seems like we're skip counting, right? So this is how you get the next three equivalent ratios. So just to show you that they are really equivalent. So I will put here 2 over 3 and 4 over 6. And to check that, I will multiply the numbers that are in diagonal with each other. 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. Both sides of the expression are equal. Same thing if I apply it to 4. Same thing if I apply it to 2 over 3 and 6 over 9. So 2 times 9 is 18, and 3 times 6 is 8. So they are equivalent fractions. So let's have another practice by answering the next number, number 2. So we have here 4 is to 10. That means we have to put it in fraction form, which is 4 over 10. And then we multiply it to a fraction that has the same denominator and numerator. So we'll try first 2 over 2. And then we will get the result. 4 times 2 is 8, 10 times 2 is 20. And then we multiply 4 over 10 by another fraction. So we have 3 over 3. And then 4 times 3 is 12. And 10 times 3 is 30. And then for the last equivalent fraction, we have 4 over 10 times 4 over 4. That is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. And 10 times 4 is 40. Oops, I think we forgot to do something because we want to express again. We want to express the ratio back into column form. So let's just go back to this first example. So for the final answer, we'll write the final answer here. Beside the final answer for 2 is to 3. The ratios are, equivalent ratios are 4 is to 6, 6 is to 9, and 8 is to 12. So these are its less equivalent ratio. And then for 4 is to 10, the next equivalent ratios are 8 is to 20, 12 is to 30, and 16 is to 40. Let's now answer the third. And we have 7 is to 6. So if we put that in fraction form, we'll have 7 over 6. And then again, multiply it first to 2 over 2. Then we get 14 over 12. Then 7 over 6 multiplied to 3 over 3. Then we will have 21 over 18. And 7 over 6 multiplied by 4 over 4. We have 28 over 24. Hence, if we put our final answer here in column form, the next equivalent ratio of 7 is to 6 is 14 is to 12, 21 is to 18, and 28 is to 20. So that is how you get equivalent ratios of a given ratio.